you ready to work out? Great, I'm glad you decided to join us. We're gonna do an arm workout and it's really quick. I'm Joel and I'm here with Elise. Let's get started. Now you wanna start with your feet perfectly lined up. You wanna act like you have a string from the top of your head and you wanna stand up straight. Now we're gonna do shoulder rolls, big circles. For 5, 4, relax your elbows, 3, 2, and 1. Now you're gonna switch directions. For 5, 4, 3, really breathe, 2, and 1. Now you're gonna bring your elbows towards each other and you're gonna reach all the way out, towards each other and out. Really twist your hands. Really breathe, deep breaths. And reach. Now if this is easy for you, you wanna come up on your toes and work with balance. Let's go, we got 10 more. For 10 and 9, come on all the way out. Really breathe. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna do tricep presses. You wanna bring your hands up behind you and you wanna press, press. The whole time, pull your stomach all the way in. Lift your chest, drive your shoulders forwards. A lot of people have a tendency to roll forward here. That's when you wanna feel it by lifting up. Now if you wanna work with balance, lift your foot off the ground. We're gonna stay here for a little bit of time. We're gonna make it really burn. If you had your foot up, switch sides. For 5, 4, come on, a little higher. 3, a little higher, you can do it. 2, and 1, good job. Now we're gonna bring our feet a little wider than shoulder width. Bring your arms all the way up, and you're gonna reach and twist your hands and reach. Now pull your stomach in the whole time. Really reach side to side. You're gonna feel this in your obliques as well. Way to the side. Each time, try to go a little bit further. Really reach, twist your hands. Really breathe. For 5, 4, stay up there, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, hold your arms up. Now we're gonna do a bicep curl and we're gonna twist it right around into your triceps all together. Keep your elbows in the same line. Really breathe, deep breaths. The whole time her elbows are not moving. That's really, really important. Drop your shoulders. A lot of people have a tendency to hunch up here. You wanna drop them. This is gonna start to burn, you feel it? You got about 15 more seconds. Make it burn. Stick with me, don't drop those elbows. Leave your shoulders away from your ears. Pull that stomach in. And 3, and 2, and 1. I'll give you a little stretch here. You want to take your hands, you want to interweave them, and you want to drop your knuckles down. Bring your feet all the way together. So what this does is it leaves your shoulders down. We're going to do a little bit of an ear drop here. So just gently drop and breathe. Go to where it feels good. And switch sides. See how our shoulders are even? That's what you want. You don't want to lift the other one up, and that's why we interweave our hands and drop our knuckles down. And release. Back to burning your arms. Get your arms all the way up. Now this time it's called seaweed. You want to keep your elbows in the same line right here, and you want to lead with your fingertips. You want to pump it up? Good. Let's go. Lift that knee up in front. If that's easy for you, lift it all the way up in line with your hip. What are you doing with your stomach? You're pulling it in, right? If you had your foot up, switch sides. Now let's pick up the pace a little bit. Come on, let's move it, move it, move it. Get it going. For 5, 4, you got it. 3, come on, hold it up. 2, 2, 2, and 1. Keep your arms up. You're gonna bring them all the way out. Palms down, spread your fingers all the way out. These are called basketballs. Keep the top of your head pulled way away from your heels. Really breathe, deep breaths. Now turn your palms up and switch directions. There you go. We wanna work those muscles, remember, from every single different angle. Now turn your palms forwards and go backwards. And switch directions. Really breathe, deep breaths. Now turn those thumbs down, keep going. Starting to feel it? Good. And turn your palms down and switch directions. And 10, and 9, and 8, and 7, and 6. We're almost finished. And 6, and 5, switch directions and pick up the pace. For 4, and 3, and 2, 2, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake it out. Now we're going to stretch that out. We're going to do chicken wing. This is my favorite stretch. Dr. Oz loves this. All you do is you take your hand backwards like this, and you reach around and you grab your elbow. If this is really hard for you, all you do is you take your hand a little bit further behind your back. Then you reach up here, and as it gets looser, you walk your hand down. And switch sides. Really relax into it and breathe. Deep breaths. And don't slouch down like this. Puff your chest up for 5, 4, really relax. Scan your body. 3, 2, and 1. Let's spin it out. Let's get that blood flowing. Big circles. Relax your elbows. And switch directions. And bring your hands into prayer. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna see you back here soon, right? Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.